guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kagam. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing. Tell me what you think of this format when we do a quick unboxing video, or would you prefer to see everything in like one big video? It's up to you. Let me know what you think of these quicker unboxing videos. So I wanted to explain what we're unboxing today. Obviously something from Versace, as you can see here, something really small from Louis Vuitton. So this item was ordered in December, ages ago, and I think I actually paid for it. I think it was paid for like on the 15th of December. It was ages ago. And my cousin who lives in Denmark graciously processed the order online for me, and she forwarded another item which you would have seen on my channel if you watch my Versace unboxings. So she forwarded that now, and that was the watch that Edwin had gotten. Now the thing is that it just takes ages for things to arrive here. So I had also ordered this, and she had received it. But then I was meeting her in Paris. You saw my Paris vlogs, you saw her in my vlogs. So she was like, do you want to just get it from me in Paris? I was like, yeah, I think that's a better thing, because I would end up waiting forever for it. It's just something small. Now let's see if I can open it. I just did my nails. Okay, so this is the paper. We'll go through that in a second. Wrapped beautifully. It's wrapped in here. Just put the box down. I notice I do that in my videos a lot. I like throw things down, or put them down and stuff, and it just comes up like this. Okay, so let's open it. Versace's packaging is so beautiful. The sticker is a black Medusa. That's so pretty. Versace is one of my favorite brands. Ooh, here it is! Yay! Let me show you what it is. God, it's gorgeous. It's so gorgeously packaged. And then more black Medusa stickers there. Their packaging is always their packaging is always so perfect. I love it. All of this just for this little tiny piece. Oh, there's something about that. Those are the tags. Okay, so what did I order? Let me show you. I actually got this beautiful towel. It comes up. It has the new monogram, the new Versace all over monogram. Because it's black, you won't be able to see it properly. Let me just pull it up closely to the lens so maybe you can see. I don't know if you can see it. I think you can now. Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Speak again. I think you should be able to see it well here if I do it like that. Yeah? Okay, so this is the new, it's a new what's it called? It's a new monogram. It's called Versace all over. I've just realized I'm wearing my Moschino t-shirt that I bought at the Moschino boutique. Moschino's from Milan, and I'm unboxing Versace. Versace's from Milan. Now I'm just missing out on something from Prada. Maybe I will do a Milanese themed unboxing when I go traveling, because I do want to get things again from Versace, da, Moschino, da, and Prada, because I'm kind of obsessed with Prada at the moment, so I think I should do that. That could be kind of a cute unboxing. So yeah, so this is the towel. It's just a hand towel. That's literally that's all it is. It's just a little hand towel. It just says Versace all over, and then it has this really cute Morocco trim just there. It's just an adorable thing. So, as you know, this is my lady lair. I film the majority of my videos in here. Not all of them, but most of my videos are filmed in here. But I was noticing that I missed out on having a hand towel. So I was like, let me get a hand towel from Versace. Now seeing this, it's actually very good quality. It's super soft, but it's also quite specific. Here it says made in Italy. This is made in Italy. The crop top wasn't made in Italy though. The crop top was made, I think they said it was made in Bosnia. I remember when I was looking at the label for the crop top, I think it said made in Bosnia. This one here says made in Italy. It's so cute how they still have Gianni Versace's name on a lot of the labels. Just wanted to quickly show you. For the Versace people, it's a fun little detail for us. You can see it there. Just says Gianni Versace quite simply. I love that. It's a nice way to just always remember him. And I think it's actually the name of the holding company, and then the label just says, of course, Versace. Now, I find I love their homewares. I think Versace's homewares are my favorite kind of homewares. It's just that like when you ask for them in the store, they get creepy and weird, and like they're like, oh, you know, you're just asking for homewares kind of thing, which is so weird because the homewares is so nice. Now, I think because I was so busy with my Paris trip, I didn't realize that Versace have opened a new flagship boutique in New York on Madison Avenue. I think it just opened like last week or 2 weeks ago or something like that. So when I go to America, I'm going to go there. Apparently it is rammed, and apparently there is homewares in there. That is very exciting. So I will definitely be going there to see if they have homewares. I love their homewares. Like, I love the aesthetics of their homewares. I was talking to my husband about some projects and property things I want to do, and if I build another property, like I literally want it to have Medusas inside. Some of their homewares like this is very subtle. It's black with the Versace print, like you wouldn't know unless you really looked at it. But I think it's adorable. Okay, so I just want to quickly just say, this is the receipt. It just says Versace logo hand towel. And I believe that this was 50 euros. I think that's how much it was. Love. Okay, now let me show you what I got from Louis Vuitton, which got this in South Africa. Completely forgot to unbox it. I don't know how you just forget things. It's just something super tiny. I believe, I don't even remember how much this is. I'm gonna have to double check how much this is. It's just something super cute. It is, of course, the city guides, and this is the city guide for San Francisco. It's just a super cute little like coffee table book. Many people actually use them as actual city guides, and I have read reviews that they're actually really good. Now, bought this as like just something to put like as like a coffee table book, like when we have friends coming over, they can just, you know, quickly like they can just sit in the sitting room and they can read it. That was like the whole point. Honestly, it wasn't really to use it as a city guide for San Francisco. We will not be going to California on this trip. I've never actually been to California. God willing, one day I will find myself there. But I just think it's just a cute little coffee table book. I think that these books are just adorable coffee table books. I think I should get one now for like my favorite cities of the world and just get more. I think they're adorable and they're nice, like, you know, if you have friends or your family coming over and they're sitting in the main sitting room, you know, like the crib sitting room. We do have a crib sitting room, like this. We have two sitting rooms. We have the sitting room that me and Edwin use like on the top half of the property, and then we have the crib sitting room on the ground floor of the property, which is the sitting room that no one should really sit in. And I was telling him, I was like, I'm gonna buy Louis Vuitton pillows for the crib sitting room and Hermes pillows for the crib sitting room, and he's like, yeah, do that. But then lately we've been using it a lot, and I'm like, it's not really the crib sitting room anymore, but if we have friends and family coming over, like we do allow them to sit there, and we like make sure it's like super clean. And there's some coffee table books that I want to buy. There's another one from Louis Vuitton I want to get when I go to America. I'm trying to think if I'm going to find a picture of this book. I'm going to put a picture of the book up on the screen. I've been forgetting to do this in my videos. I want to apologize. It's because I'm so busy and I am very behind with my work schedule, so I'm like trying to get my videos out there. It's this book right here. I think I need to get this for the coffee table downstairs. But yeah, here it is, the city guides. Just super quick, nothing particularly extravagant. Forgot how much that was, honestly. I don't know what's going on with me. Literally forgotten how much it was. I completely forgot that I bought it. I don't know what's going on. All right, so I'd love to know what you guys are picking up at the moment from your favorite brands. I'd love to know what do you think of this format, like when the video is short and sweet and I just quickly show you other things that I've got. These were just some odds and ends that I had forgotten and that had taken ages to come. The Versace one obviously took ages. The last one took ages. The watch took ages to arrive. It was obviously as well Christmas time, so it's very busy. And people are busy, and the postage, like the postal services, are like completely backed up as well. So I wasn't expecting to get it anytime soon. But anyway, I'm grateful that she was able to, give it to me in person. That was really exciting. So you will let me know the feedback. And then another piece of feedback I would love to hear from you guys is, moving forward, do you want to continue to see my travel vlogs? Because going to New York, so I'm gonna have time to do that. But not just New York, I'm gonna go visit some of my childhood friends. I have a lot of childhood friends who live in America, so I'm going to end up visiting them. I think I actually have to check with them. I think a lot of them have agreed to be in my videos. I might have to check with them, but I think they've agreed to be in my vlogs. And then obviously, I think, like, let me just tell you basically the schedule of my trips. I have my American trip coming up at some point. You'll see it at some point. I feel like I also shouldn't say exactly when I go for safety, like in terms of my safety here, probably isn't a good idea to say exactly when I'm going. But at some point in the next quarter, you're going to see me in America, you're going to see me in the UK, you're going to see me in Geneva, Switzerland. I put that trip back in the itinerary because I was like, I didn't go last year, I didn't go in February, I really want to go to Switzerland to visit my sister and go to Switzerland in general. And then you're going to see me as well in Paris and France. So do you want to continue to see the travel vlogs? Like, are they interesting to you? I'm not a professional vlogger, you guys, I'm sorry. It's not what I do for a living, so it's hard for me to like, and even when we were there, I kept telling my cousin, like, oh my god, I keep forgetting, like, I'm a horrible vlogger. Like, we would spend the whole day, like the day we went to the Louvre and we went to Angelina, I was so focused on her and I was so excited to spend time. I completely forgot to vlog. And then we finished Angelina. I'm like, oh my god, I didn't vlog Angelina, and I knew that people would be interested. So I will try my best to get better at doing that as well, because I was like, I kept forgetting. So would you like to see travel vlogs, or would you like to see like one luxury shopping video and that's it? Because in each place I go, of course, I will go to luxury shops and buy stuff. And what I found was, particularly at Moschino, they did not care. And you're going to see my Dior video coming up. Dior didn't care either, really. As long as you buy something, I just noticed like Moschino and Dior didn't really seem like they cared. Like at Big H, no one had their camera out. Honestly, at the Sev location, no one had their cameras out. No one was taking pictures or vlogging. I think that Big H really does care and gets triggered and upset when if you do that quite publicly. I don't know if that's the case for every vlogger, but it is something that I noticed. Like that at Dior and Moschino, I was buying stuff, so I was like, oh, at one point I had already vlogged a lot of myself trying things on, and then I asked this, I was like, oh, do you mind if I take a picture? He's like, oh, it's fine. I'd already been taking pictures anyway, and filming footage of myself in the mirror, so it was like, okay. So would you like to see a travel vlog, like the way I'm doing now, or a luxury shopping video? I feel like the travel vlogs are fine, and I'm going to do what I feel comfortable with, but I have noticed that like the travel vlogs I think are probably just better because I don't feel pressured to open my camera in a shop. We'll see how things go, because I have so many places I plan to go. This time around on this trip, I didn't really get a chance to go to Chanel. The queues were massive. I want to go to more Chanels. I want to go to Fendi more. Want to go to Cartier more. Like, those are like 3 brands I'd like to visit more of on my upcoming trips. I really hope you like this quick luxury unboxing video. I'd love to hear from you and for you guys to tell me what you think. All of my luxury unboxings and hauls are on my playlist. You can go watch it. My playlist is linked below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.